Looking for the right drawing tablet can make digital art, illustration, animation, and graphic design much easier and more enjoyable. In this top 5 best drawing tablets of 2026, we've selected 5 impressive options based on display quality, pen performance, color accuracy, features, and overall value. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or professional artist, these tablets offer excellent tools to bring your creative ideas to life.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. HUION Kamvas Pro 16 Drawing Tablet. The HUION Kamvas Pro 16 is a versatile 15.6-inch drawing tablet with a screen, making it a strong choice for digital artists, illustrators, and graphic designers. It features a 1920 by 1080 fully laminated anti-glare display, 120% sRGB color gamut, 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, and a battery-free pen with 60 degrees tilt support for accurate and natural drawing. It also includes 6 customizable shortcut keys and a touch bar for quick access to frequently used tools, plus an adjustable stand that supports multiple viewing angles. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, the Kamvas Pro 16 offers a professional drawing experience, although it must be connected to a computer or laptop to operate. Number 2. HUION Kamvas Pro 16 Plus 4K Drawing Tablet. The HUION Kamvas Pro 16 Plus 4K is a premium 15.6-inch drawing tablet with a screen, designed for artists, animators, designers, and editors who need excellent detail and color accuracy. It features a 4K UHD 3840 by 2160 display, full lamination, anti-glare glass, and quantum dot technology with an impressive 145% sRGB color gamut and 1200:1 contrast ratio. Its battery-free PW517 stylus provides 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt recognition, delivering precise and natural strokes. With USB-C and HDMI connectivity, it works with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and compatible Android devices, making it a versatile choice for professional creative work. Number 3. HUION Kamvas 13, Gen 3, Drawing Tablet with Screen. The HUION Kamvas 13, Gen 3, is a compact 13.3-inch drawing tablet with a screen that offers a great balance of portability and creative features. It comes with a 1980 by 1080 fully laminated display, Canvas Glass 2.0, and 99% sRGB color coverage for vibrant and accurate visuals. The Pentec 4.0 PW600L stylus supports up to 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity for precise and responsive drawing, while the tablet includes 5 programmable keys and 2 dials for convenient control. It works with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and compatible Android devices, and the included adjustable stand makes it comfortable for extended drawing sessions. Number 4. XPPen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2. The XPPen Artist Pro 16, Gen 2, is a high-performance 16-inch drawing display designed for digital artists, illustrators, and designers. It features a 2560 by 1600 2.5K QHD fully laminated display, 178 degrees viewing angle, an excellent color coverage of 99% sRGB, 97% Adobe RGB, and 99% DCI-P3. Its X3 Pro Smart Chip stylus supports 16,384 pressure levels and 60 degrees tilt recognition, providing precise and responsive strokes with low initial activation force. The tablet also includes a built-in foldable stand and supports Windows, Mac OS, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux. It is a pen display rather than a standalone computer, so it needs to be connected to a compatible device. Number 5. HUION Kamvas 22, Gen 3. The HUION Kamvas 22, Gen 3, is a large 21.5-inch drawing tablet with a screen, designed for digital artists, animators, and designers who want plenty of workspace. It features a 2.5K QHD 2560 by 1440 display with a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, full lamination, and canvas glass 2.0 for a natural paper-like drawing experience. Its Pentec 4.0 PW600L stylus offers 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt support, while factory calibration provides excellent Delta E 1.2 color accuracy with multiple professional color modes. The tablet also includes a built-in adjustable stand, customizable ambient lighting, and convenient cable management, and it works with Windows, Mac OS, and compatible Android devices.